Hello my birdies, how are you all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Keena Beauty and Lifestyle. For all those who have not subscribed to my channel yet, please like, share and subscribe to it and hit the bell icon ताकि आपको मेरे वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिले. So guys, Diwali is around the corner and many festivities behind it. So I thought, why not create a simple yet stylish makeup tutorial for you all, which is very easy to create just sitting at home and you don't need to go to the parlor or salons. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Here I'm starting with my eye makeup first. I'm using my Swiss Beauty concealer and applying it on my eyelids, and with the help of fingertips I'm gently spreading the product. Now I'm using my Swiss Beauty loose powder and applying it on my lids to set the concealer on place. Guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Here I'm using my Essence Rose Edition palette, and from that palette I'm going to use the brownish shade and apply it all over my crease area. Just gently with the light hands apply it all over your crease and gently spread it. For all those who wants to learn smoky eyes, click on the I button above. Now with the help of a blending brush I am blending the product. Now from the same palette I'm taking a lighter shade and applying it on my lower eyelid and spreading it with a flat brush. For the perfume hacks, I have a video. Do click on the I button above, guys. The same product I'm using it in the lower lash. Now here I'm doing a cut crease. With the help of a concealer, I'm cutting my crease till the end of my eyes. Just put the concealer all over your eyelids till the end of it. And from my Makeup Revolution palette, I'm using a pink tone. Since my saree is pink, I'm using a pink tone eyeshadow and applying it on the cut crease method. I'm done with my other eyes as well. Now all the fallout I'm dusting it off. I'm starting with my eye makeup first. Here I'm mixing my BB cream and illuminator together and applying it all over my face. Guys, this saree is from a store called Wardrobe Alive. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Do check it out. Gently spread the product. Now I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and with the help of a stippling brush I'm gently going to dab all the product on my face and just spread it all over my face with the help of the same stippling brush. Now I'm using this concealer under my eyes and just make a V shape, and with the help of your fingertips, or you can use your beauty blender if you have, and gently spread it there. Now I'm using this compact and setting all my foundation there. Now I'm moving on to my eyebrows. With the help of the pencil, just filling in the gaps that I have, and with the help of those spoolies, just gently spreading it to give it a natural look. Here I'm using my concealer and giving definition to my eyebrows with the help of a angular brush, flat brush. Now I'm using my Swiss Beauty mascara and I'm applying mascara on my lashes. I'm going to put eyelashes, fake eyelashes behind the camera, guys. I'm using my plum kajal, and from the Maybelline palette I'm taking the pinkish shade that I used on my eyelids in the lower waterline and smudging it with the kajal. Guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I have put my fake lashes behind the camera, and if you want to know how to put fake lashes, do write on the comment below. Now I'm using a highlighter and using it in the inner corner of my eyes. Here I'm using my contour palette from Wet n Wild and gently contouring my cheek and lower jaw. Here I'm using a baking technique with a translucent powder that I have from the Swiss Beauty. Let it bake under your eye and in the lower jawline. Let it bake for 5-10 minutes and then dust off the excess product for a flawless finish that lasts all day. See, I'm removing the product after 5-10 minutes. Now I'm using my blush from LA Colors. Guys, if you want to know everyday makeup tutorial, the link is in the I button. Do check it out. Here I'm using a highlighter from the Rose Edition palette and highlighting my brow bones. And now I'm highlighting my cheekbones, both the sides. See how flawless and how nice this is looking. Now I'm using my lipstick from Revlon and I've put a bindi to give it a whole Indian look, using my jhumkas here. And I'm using Swiss Beauty makeup fixer to fix all the makeup which will last all night during the Diwali. Yeah guys, this is my complete and final look. Hope you liked it. So yeah guys, this is my complete Diwali look. I hope कि आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. I am wearing this beautiful sari from a store called Wardrobe Alive and you guys must check that out. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel guys and help me grow. I hope to see you in my next video. Happy Diwali to you all. Bye bye.